Hey everybody, Thanksgiving is coming up and you know what that means. Family, food, and hopefully not too much drama. Today we've got some seriously helpful tips to keep your Thanksgiving harmonious and fun for everyone. If that's some great, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's be real, family gatherings can be a recipe for disaster if we're not careful. But fear not, my friends, because we're about to equip you with the tools to navigate those tricky family dynamics like a pro. Remember, Thanksgiving is about togetherness and gratitude, not dredging up old arguments. So let's talk strategy. Just like we set the table for Thanksgiving dinner, it's important to set boundaries with our family too. A little friendly reminder at the start can go a long way. Maybe say something like, "Hey everyone, how about we keep things light and fun today? Let's focus on what we're thankful for and leave the debates for another time." Now that we've established some ground rules, let's talk about keeping the conversation flowing in a positive direction. Have some fun conversation starters up your sleeve. Talk about favorite Thanksgiving memories, funny family traditions, or even debate the best kind of pie. Trust me, a little laughter and reminiscing can work wonders in keeping the mood light and joyful. Plan group activities, fun and games for everyone. Break out the board games or puzzles. Think charades, Pictionary, even a post-meal walk to burn off all that delicious food. Take a break time out for your sanity. Even with the best of intentions, things can still get a little heated sometimes. If you feel a conversation getting out of hand, don't be afraid to excuse yourself for a moment, step outside for some fresh air, or find a quiet corner to regroup. Reducing stressful expectations. It doesn't have to be perfect. Thanksgiving doesn't have to be perfect. It's about spending quality time with loved ones and being grateful for what we have. Let's ditch those unrealistic expectations and embrace the perfectly imperfect holiday. Remember, it's okay if the gravy's a little lumpy or the pie crust cracks. It's all part of the charm, right? If you're hosting, don't even think about doing everything yourself. Thanksgiving is a team effort, so let's delegate. Ask your family and friends to bring a dish, set the table, or even handle some of the cleanup. Not only does it lighten your load, but it also makes everyone feel involved and appreciated. Time management is crucial, especially on Thanksgiving, when you're trying to coordinate a million things at once. Give yourself way more time than you think you need. Build in some wiggle room for unexpected delays. And remember, it's okay if everything doesn't go exactly according to plan. Let's talk food because that's what Thanksgiving is all about, right? But here's a little secret, you don't need a 12-course meal to impress your guests. Focus on a few key dishes that you know you can rock. And hey, there's no shame in a little store-bought help. The goal is to enjoy the day, not be chained to the stove all day. Here's a little hosting hack that's a total game changer. Set up a self-serve station for drinks and appetizers. This way, your guests can help themselves while you're putting the finishing touches on the main course. Lay out some drinks, snacks, maybe even a festive cheese board, and let everyone mingle and graze. And there you have it, folks. Your guide to a stress-free and harmonious Thanksgiving. Remember, it's not about the perfectly roasted turkey or the flawlessly set table. It's about spending quality time with loved ones and creating memories that will last a lifetime. From our family to yours, happy Thanksgiving. Please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.